Okay, we now move on to answering the questions for passage A. Now, I need you to label each of these paragraphs P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5 to label them as 5 separate paragraphs. This will help you to find the paragraph when you need to answer the questions. Okay, are you ready? I now move on to the questions, which can be found on page 10. Okay, remember, when we read each question, we should highlight the keywords and then we try to hunt the passage to find the specific answers. Okay, 51. To which big cat family do cheetahs and leopards belong? Now, I see a small rectangle here, which means that you do not have to write any long sentences. You just write the answer directly as fast and as precise as you can. Okay, so to which big cat family, please highlight the word big cat family, and you need to find out what cheetahs and leopards belong. So I need to go back to the passage. I need to find big cat family. I need to look at leopards and cheetahs. Okay, if I read paragraph 1, it says something like the wild cat is an ancestor of domestic cat. This whole paragraph is about wildcats. And it tells me among the wildcats, leopards and cheetahs are two very different cats. So this sentence gives you your answer on what cat family leopards and cheetahs belong to. Please write your answer in the rectangle now. Over here on your paper directly. Okay, you can pause the video so that you can write your answers down. I will now move on to question 52. Based on the passage, fill in B and C the differences between a cheetah and a leopard. An example has been done for you in A. So let's look at this graphic organizer here. There's one difference between a cheetah and a leopard, and I need to write B and C. Okay, so let's go back to the passage. Okay, it says here in paragraph 2 that the leopards and cheetahs are two very different cats. And I need to read paragraph 3, paragraph 4, and paragraph 5 to find the differences. Cheetah versus leopard. I need you now to look at paragraph 4 and paragraph 5 and highlight your answers. Okay? So to guide you, I'm going to look at paragraph 3. Both are carnivores. So this one tells me already a similarity. Leopards and cheetahs are the same because they're both carnivores. It's not a difference. I shouldn't write this answer down. Now let's look here. Cheetahs are taller than leopards. This is one difference that I can write. Okay, and cheetahs are also more slender in build. So already I have two differences here. Cheetahs are taller than leopards and they are more slender in build. Okay, this would be maybe an answer that I can write. So now I need you to continue to paragraph 4, paragraph 5 to find other differences between cheetahs and leopards. Okay, again, you can pause the video so you can complete this question. Okay, 53. Highlight keywords. 4th paragraph. What does the word them in bold refer to? So I need to go back to P4. Let's go to P4 and I see this word in bold. Please highlight it. You need to guess what the word them refers to. Read this sentence in paragraph 4 to find your answer and write your answer down in the blank now. Last question, 54. Give a reason, highlight the keywords, why animals live longer when kept in zoos. So that means that I have to find something about zoos, or in a passage, I need to find the word zoos and animals live longer. So let's go back to the passage and we try to find the keywords zoos. Okay. I don't see anything here in this passage that tells me kept in zoos. Okay, but I know that kept in zoos means that the animals are not living in the wild. They are kept as domestic cats. Okay, so I think the answer is found somewhere here in passage 1. Okay, and I saw the word animals live longer in captivity, which means that animals are not kept in the wild. And